Hello Sagittarius, welcome to Beauty True Tarot, and this is the reading for this week of January. So let's check what are the messages for you in this week of January. Messages for Sagittarius for this week of January. Call. King of Earth and Six of Fire and the card of Love. Okay, so finally Sagittarius, it seems like that something is going to happen in your way, because with Six of Fire you are getting through something that was an obstacle in your way for so long, and now it is being removed. Now you're getting a breakthrough, and probably your relationship is turning into a commitment, or even if it was a long friendship, then it is going to turn into love, because here we have the card of the Love. So possibly you are in a friendship, in a good friendship, and with time this friendship has grown into something really sweet, something really really strong. And with the card of the Love, you are already there, and now you both realize that you are more than just friends. With the card of the Love, you both are ready to accept your feelings to each other, and it seems like this person is someone who is quite strong, who is quite practical person, and you didn't expect that this person will come to you, or they will ever accept their feeling just because they look like that they are practical, they do not care about anything, and it seems like that this person is feelingless. But to your surprise, in this week, this person is there. This person is accepting what they feel, because now they know that they need to accept this. And above all, it's not something that has happened in a day. It has taken its time, and it has grown slowly. So it's strong, it's something solid, and they know that it is not something shallow. So this person is going to commit to you. However, this person would have kept you really this person would have kept you waiting for so long, and this person is now really concerned about the future. I mean, they are thinking critically what they want in life. And then there is card of the Love. They know that they cannot separate themselves from you. Probably something happened that made them realize that you can get away from this relationship. Probably this can break even if they do not accept it on time or do something on time. So they are here and they know what to do. With the King of Earth, they know what's their responsibility. This is someone mature. This is someone who knows how to deal with the things. They are not someone who will make a promise today and break it tomorrow. And they take their own time. They make sure before making a step that they're going into the right direction. And here with the King of Earth, same thing is happening with them. You were thinking probably that this person is not going to commit ever, or this person is really too practical. This person doesn't feel anything for you, but this is not the case, Sagittarius. With this King of Earth, this person was just being what he was or she was, because they need their time. But when they make the commitment, it means something. They really mean it, and they do everything to make it possible. And then here you have the card of the Call. So with the card of the Call, this person is trying to reach out to you. This person is trying to make you believe that they are there forever. This person is making the final call to you. So suddenly something new is going to happen, a kind of breakthrough that you hadn't expected, or you lost all the hope on it, but now it's happening. However, this is a journal reading, Sagittarius. This is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. And if you are interested in the yearly reading of 2021 or in the story of your ex, I have provided a link below in the description box. Let's check some more messages for you, Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius for this week of January. Star, Eight of Water, Nine of Earth, and here we have Three of Earth. So already a lot of things are going on in this week. Probably they're talking to their family or to their friends or to their relatives about you. They are now ready to make it public. I mean, they are ready to accept this relationship, and they are trying to somehow claim that you are taken, you are theirs, and somehow this is so sweet. And with this Nine of Earth, wishes are getting manifested, Sagittarius. Things whatever you were wishing for are coming to the reality in this week. And with the Three of Earth, a lot of discussion is already going on what to do in the future, and it's like something serious, and they are figuring everything out. And yes, they have made their mind. With the card of the Star, this person feels like that they have found the way. They have found the way to happiness. They have found someone whom they can trust, and they know that with the card of the Star, you are there for them as always. And with Eight of Water, things are almost the way you want them to be, but still there is something that is left to be figured out. But they are determined to make it work, because they have made their mind, you have made your mind, you both are in love with each other. But there is something, still there is something that needs to be figured out. After all, in life, at every point we have one or another issue, so this is the case here right now. But as far as you both are willing to make it work, here the universe is giving Nine of Earth to you. That means wishes are manifesting, and you are getting what you were wishing for. And here with the Three of Earth, you people are figuring out what to do next in your relationship and how to take it in the future. Let's take an oracle card for you, Sagittarius. Messages for Sagittarius for this week of January. Krishna, devotion. Trust your spiritual guidance. Your commitment has been recognized. You are loved unconditionally. Okay, so as the reading goes, it is quite relatable with this reading. Trust your spiritual guidance. Whatever you're feeling, Sagittarius, from inside, you need to trust that, and your commitment has been recognized. You have been committed to this person for so long. They took their time. You have been through thick and thin, and everything has now just paid off, and this person is recognizing that you were there for them always. You are loved unconditionally. They don't need any more proofs. They don't need any more time to make it work or to accept you. And you are loved unconditionally. So here, this is just pure love for you in this week. So this was the reading for you, Sagittarius, in this week of January. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.